to identify and overcome limiting beliefs and self-doubt. Number one, identify your limiting beliefs. Take time to reflect on your thoughts and beliefs about yourself and your abilities. Recognize which beliefs are holding you back and write them down. Number two, challenge your limiting beliefs. Once you have identified them, challenge them by asking yourself if they are true or if there is evidence to support them. Then replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce your strengths and abilities. Number three, take action. The best way to overcome self-doubt is to take action towards your goals. Start small and build momentum by setting achievable targets and celebrating your success. Remember that progress, not perfection, is the key to success.